Welcome to this training video covering how to report maintenance and repair issues for Virginia Tech agricultural properties, including AREX and employee houses, via the ReadyRequest system. By reporting your maintenance and repair issues via this system, you are providing critical information to the university regarding our agricultural properties. This information will assist the Division of Facilities and College of Agriculture and Life Sciences teams in our planning and operations functions. To get started, navigate to the ReadyRequest website at request.hockeyserve.vt.edu. Note, this site is mobile device friendly and may be used in the field or at a computer. Scroll down to the Agricultural Properties tile and begin by clicking on the icon. Your name and email are already captured in the system, but you will be asked to provide a contact phone number. If you are not the on-site contact, please select No and provide the alternate contact information. Next, select the appropriate region. You can pick between Montgomery County or AREC, Agricultural Research and Extension Center. Then, select the appropriate facility. After selecting region and facility, please select a property. You can type any portion of the building number or name to dynamically filter the list. Please note the reference map section below that follow the same hierarchy as the drop-down fields for region and facility. The reference maps provide a geographical reference point for our agricultural property numbers and names. After selecting a property, click Next to provide request details. Describe the location of the issue. For example, which window, room, or section of the property is having the issue. Then, select the type of issue. If none are applicable, use Other Issues. Proceed to answer any follow-up questions that appear related to the type of issue. Next, indicate whether the issue reported is a result of a weather event. This will assist our teams in identifying potential insurance claims. The next question provides you with a free form box to detail more information about the issue. Please note that all questions on this form are required except for the last question, where you can attach pictures. Pictures are encouraged, but not required. Pictures will assist in identifying and addressing the issue. If on a computer, you can drag pictures to drop and attach to the request, or you can use the Browse button to navigate your computer's file directory. Note, this application is mobile device friendly. If you are using a mobile device, you can attach pictures via the device's camera or library. Click the Next button to proceed with finalizing your request. Click the Review button to review information provided. To submit your request, you must click Submit. Your request has now been submitted. Upon submitting your agricultural properties request, you will receive automated email notifications upon submission and completion. The first hyperlink in the email will take you to the process screen where you can view the status of your request, any associated comments, and work order number. This screen can also be accessed anytime by clicking Process from the ReadyRequest site. On the request screen, the Comments section may be utilized to track communications between facilities and the customer during completion of the request. You will receive an email notification anytime a comment is added to the request. Depending on the request, it may be routed to facilities or the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences, CALS. On the Details section, you can view this designation under the Shop field. If this field does not state CALS, then the request was routed to facilities. The work order number is most helpful when communicating with facilities and CALS staff. This can be referenced from the AIM section. And that's it. We have now covered how to utilize the ReadyRequest system and the Agricultural Properties tile to communicate with facilities and the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences regarding your property's maintenance and repair issues.